in the whip on the strip, get the strips in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Okay, y'all, make this quick. I'm tired of buying edge brushes and brushes because they full of edge control. So I got a thermal cup. You're gonna take some bleach, some Dawn. I should have had everything right here, but hold on. And this the brush. Well, this ain't the edge brush, but this like a brush when I be doing my ponytails and all that. And just like a little comb. And I put some bleach, a little bleach at the bottom of the cup, some Dawn, and I'm gonna get some hot water from my kettle, pour it in there. Put the brush in there. And you can let it sit for a while. And look, it ain't even been in there long. And look, y'all. Look at all this hair. And the brush almost clean already. But I'm gonna stick it in there a little longer. And I got a paper towel on the side too to wipe all this gunk out. But the brush already looking brand new, as y'all can see. But I'm gonna let it sit a tad bit longer, and I'm gonna run it again. And I mean, stop wasting y'all money going to go buy a new brush and just clean it.